Thank you, Miss Lavisores. Very good. On the other hand, class, active voice means when the verb of a sentence is in the verb of the voice, the subject is doing the acting. As in the sentence class, Mark hit the ball. Mark is our subject and it is acts in a relation to the ball. Alright? And now class, let's move on to passive voice. Okay, so now class, who can read the meaning of the passive voice? Yes, Mr. Roquero?
Passive voice is when the subject is the receiver of the action.
Okay, thank you for that, sir. In addition, class, in passive voice, a verb is in the passive voice when a subject of a sentence is acted on by the verb. Do you get it, class? Okay, so there is a keyword for identifying these two, active and passive voice. See, active, if you hear the word receive, meaning it is belong to active voice, while the passive voice, the word receives. Don't forget these two words, class, okay? So, for example, class, the ball has thrown by the pitcher. The ball is the subject and receives the action of the verb. And it is thrown in the passive voice. Do you get it, class? Alright, very good. Okay, class, so let's see if you are truly listening to what we discussed a while ago. And now, who can define active voice? Yes, Miss Lavisores? Okay, thank you for that, Miss Lavisores. And now, how do active voice and passive voice differ from each other? Yes, Mr. Roquero.
Active voice, used to indicate that the subject of the sentence is the doer of the action. Passive voice is when the subject is the receiver of the action.
Alright, thank you for that, Mr. Roquero. And now, class, who can give examples of sentences, at least two for active voice and two for passive voice? Yes, Miss Mary Jean.
They were in the house when I arrived. As you can see, this sentence can also be written into passive sentence. Okay, so let's write.
Alright, thank you for that, Miss Mary Jean. And now, what do you think is the importance of knowing and identifying the active voice and passive voice and using it in our daily communication? Yes, Miss Kenin?
I know that everyone has his own discrimination in writing a sentence. He may begin it either with a subject or an object. This fact decides whether a sentence is in active voice or passive
Alright,
voice.
thank you for that, Miss Kenin. Yes, now that you already understand what is active voice from passive voice, I will give you 5-item pen and paper quiz. This quiz will be posted on the board and it is written on a 1/2 sheet of paper. I will give you 10 minutes to finish this quiz. Okay? Okay, so your time starts now. Okay, you have 3 minutes left, class. 1 minute remaining, class. Okay, time is up. Pass your paper forward. Class, for your another activity, get 1/2 sheet of paper, then all you need to do is to change the sentences into active voice. This is only 3 sentences, class. Okay, so I will give you 10 minutes to answer it. Your time may start now. Okay, you have 3 minutes remaining, class. You have 1 minute left. Okay, time is up. Pass your paper forward. Okay, class, for your last activity, I will group you into 3. All you need to do is to make a step-by-step procedure in making your own most favorite dessert or salad. But remember, in constructing it, you will use active voice and passive voice. The first group who will finish their output within the given time, which is 3 minutes, and observe its correctness, will declare as a winner and receive a gift. Okay, so class, your output will be written on a manila sheet of paper and post it on the board afterwards. Okay, I will give you 20 minutes to finish it. Okay, your time starts now. You have 8 minutes left, class. Okay, 2 minutes left. 1 minute remaining, class. Okay, time is up. Oh, okay, so the group 3 are the first to post it on the board, and we'll check it if it is correct. Very good. The active voice and passive voice are both applied. Okay, followed by group 1. And last is group 2. And our winner is group 3. Please give them a round of applause. Second, group 1. Last, group 2. Congratulations, class. All of your answers are correct. For your assignment, rewrite each sentence of the verb from active to passive. It is written on a 1/2 sheet of paper, class. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for actively participating all the activities that we had today, class. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much, class, and keep it up, the good work always. You may now dismiss.